we go.
In Upton, New York has issued a special
Yes, sir.
for New York Harbor until 7:30
New York
p.m.
Harbor.
At 6:24
Finally.
strong thunderstorms were located along
Finally,
the
this
line
way.
from 12 nautical miles northwest of the Verrazano Narrows Bridge to 8 nautical miles west of
Verrazano
Upper New
Narrows
York
Bridge.
Harbor to 14 nautical miles southwest of Cliffwood Beach.
Let's
Moving
go.
northeast at 25 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated.
They're gonna issue an SVR for my area next.
Damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher
Yes,
waves.
sir.
Strong thunderstorms will be near Raritan Bay around 6:30 p.m. Upper New York Harbor around 6:40 p.m. The
Upper New
Verrazano
York
Narrows Bridge around 6:45 p.m.
6:45.
Lower New York Harbor around 6:50 p.m.
Yes, sir.
Sandy Hook Bay around
Sandy
7
Hook
p.m. Voters should seek safe harbor
freaking
immediately
go.
until these storms pass. Wind gusts 34 knots or greater. High waves, lightning, and heavy rain are expected with these storms. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects. Report severe weather to the Coast Guard or the National Weather Service.
Yes, sir.